In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not sending emails. If your message is stuck, queued, or just won't go, don't worry. We'll walk through the exact checks that usually get Gmail sending again. We'll start with the quickest fixes and move to a few deeper checks so you can pinpoint what's blocking your email. First, look for emails stuck in outbox or drafts. The outbox only shows up when something is still sending or has failed, and it appears in the left sidebar only if there's something inside. Open Gmail, then open drafts. Tap or click the message that didn't go through and hit send again. Sometimes a brief network hiccup is all it takes, and a simple resend clears the queue. Next, double-check the recipient's email address. Open your draft and carefully recheck who you're sending to. Fix any spelling errors, especially near the @ sign and the domain. A single wrong letter can cause the message to fail and bounce back. If you see a bounced email later, that's often a sign the address didn't exist or was mistyped. Now check your attachment size. Gmail can send attachments up to 25 megabytes total per email. If your file is larger than that, upload it to Google Drive and send a link instead. This avoids size limits and ensures the recipient can access the file without the message being blocked. Storage is a big one. Open Google Drive and check your account's storage. Most accounts have a 15 gigabyte limit shared across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. If you're full, Gmail can stop sending. Delete large emails you no longer need, remove big files in Drive, and don't forget to empty the trash so space is actually freed. Once you're under the limit, try sending again. If you're on a computer, turn off offline mode. In Gmail, click the settings gear, choose See All Settings, go to the Offline tab, and Enable Offline Mail. Save your changes. Offline mode queues messages locally, which can keep emails from leaving your outbox if it's enabled unintentionally. If it's still not sending, try a different browser or device to rule out a local issue. Temporarily disable browser extensions or antivirus software that might interfere with webmail. Ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder, just in case it arrived but was filtered. Finally, look for a bounce or error message in your inbox. Those messages often explain why delivery failed, so you know exactly what to fix. Follow these steps in order, and your Gmail should be sending smoothly again.